Hey guys! Thank you for even clicking on this video. This is my second video on YouTube. How exciting. What I'm gonna do today is something I've wanted to do for a while because it's all over TikTok, literally all over TikTok, where they tie-dye the hoodies. They look so dope. So I'm gonna try that today. And a few other TikTok DIYs that I've seen on TikTok. The first DIY that I saw was tie-dye hoodies. So I got a huge white hoodie. That we're gonna tie-dye and see how that turns out. So for the tie-dye, I got these. I will show the results of each DIY at the end of the DIY.
For the tie-dye, I know you're supposed to use rubber bands, but I didn't have any, so I used a pack of hair ties that I had. And I know you're supposed to put a lot more, but I decided to go my own way with this and just be creative, so I just put them wherever I felt like it. Then I prepared the tie-dye by putting the packet in the water. It didn't say how much water to use, so I just guesstimated, and this is what I got. Once you've added your packet, you just want to put the lid on the water bottle and shake that guy until the powders dissolve, and then boom, you got a little tie-dye bottle ready to go. Then you want to take the top of the water bottle and poke holes into it. I literally use an earring. You can use anything you have that'll poke small holes. And I poked like 5 or 6. Once you have your tie-dye prepared, you want to go outside because I know your mama doesn't want no tie-dye in the house. For the hoodie, I followed literally no rules, no pattern. I just went absolutely berserk, and it looked really, really cool. Then you want to just throw that baby in the bathtub and wash it off. I think you're supposed to wait 24 hours, but I didn't do that because I was way too excited.
I don't ever want to take it off. I know it's not the most organized tie-dye you've ever seen, but it's original. What y'all think? Cause I like it. I like it a lot. Uh-oh. Well, the hoodie works. Get the whole view for you here. Yes. Can't wear the hoodie without the hoodie. Am I right?
The first thing you want to do is make sure your iron is on. Let it heat up while you cut your pictures to the right size. I didn't want any white borders on mine, so I cut them all off, but you could leave them. It really just depends how you want it to look. some cling wrap, and you want to wrap each picture in the cling wrap. Try your best not to have any on the side because it will melt onto the shirt, but as long as you only have a little bit, it's not that bad.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So for this smaller piece, I decided to cut off the excess because there was a lot of extra cling wrap. So if you have that problem, I would just cut it off. When I folded this, there wasn't any in the middle on the back, so I just added a little piece just to make sure that it was completely covered in the cling wrap. Then once you have all of your pictures covered in cling wrap, you want to grab some parchment paper, a sheet large enough that'll cover the entire picture so you can iron on top of it. I put a towel down just because I didn't know how the iron would affect my desk, but if you have an ironing board, then that would be perfect. Next, you want to center your picture on the shirt wherever you want it and place the parchment paper on top of the picture. Next, you want to take the iron and go across the picture for about 5 minutes and make sure you really focus on the corners because it's very likely that it will come up on the corners if it does come up at all. So if you have the corners down for sure, then you should be fine. Lastly, you just want to slowly remove the parchment paper, make sure that it's on there before you take it all the way off, and then boom, you have a dope new t-shirt. Girl, when I tell you, these t-shirts came out way better than I thought they would. Literally all of them except for the hoodie. But the shirts are great. I love them so much.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh my gosh. The t-shirts, amazing. Came out great. I love them. I messed up on the hoodie though. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, because why not? Why wouldn't you? You should, please. And let's be friends.